Hey guys, Coach Kelly here, official trainer of I Love Lacrosse TV. Today we're going to talk about the shooting characteristic of breaking the glass. So let's just get right into it. So passing and shooting characteristic of breaking the glass. Normally, right, when we shoot or pass, which we've talked about a lot, we're going to, if you notice, that lead leg is super important. I'm going to plant and my torso is staying behind my lead leg. So what we don't want is when we don't plant with that lead leg well enough, and this kind of happens where our torso is out over our leg, and then our lead arm and our stick come and our hips never really come through. So that's the point with breaking the glass. It makes it it puts you in a position where it is extremely difficult, if not impossible, to properly rotate your hips. Again, when we rotate, we want to throw that back pocket at the target, which makes it almost impossible when our torso is out in front of our lead foot like that. So that is the shooting characteristic of breaking the glass. You will see links to some of the videos on our channel that help solve that problem down below in the description. Thanks.